We're at the Carl Fisher building in Lower Manhattan, Greenwich Village, New York City, and these elevators are being modded. These originally OTISs from 1926. KONE replaced these in 2001, and now they are being modernized again by BP Elevator. Let's go up to 9. Nine is the highest we can go. Here we are at 9. BP is modernizing, currently in the process of modernizing that elevator. Then we'll get to this elevator in 4 months. As of now, they are replacing the cabs and fixtures. The motors and controllers will be original as far as I know. One more trip up to 9 and we'll get a cab view. Gorgeous cabs. As of now, again, these are originally OTIS from 1926. KONE replaced these in 2001, and now they're being modernized by BP Elevator. And that is it. There will be an updated video when that elevator is done in approximately 4 to 6 months. That'll be it.